Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you how to make this box right here. It's a box of assorted candies, and this is using this die set right here from my little Crafty shop. This is the small folding box die set, and here's Lisa's information in the back. And this cute little box die is what inspired me to make this box. I thought it would be fun to gift more than just one of those cute little boxes, and it reminded me, which I had mentioned in my prior video, a box of candy, and how fun it would be to get 4 boxes of those candies. So this is the top part of the box, and I created this box just using my scoreboard and trimmer, and this is using the Game Garden collection. The flowers here are also part of a die set from my little Crafty shop. Just this die set of flowers. So you get 3 different styles of flowers that you can create. And then when you open the box, you got a set of 4 different boxes of candy. So the first box, I did create a window, and inside are these cute little containers that remind me of the Tic Tac box. So I bought a lot of these from Amazon. I believe it was in a pack of 100. And they look like this little container right here. And again, it reminds me of the Tic Tac candy containers. And so I fit 4 of them in there. So the closure on one side is Velcro. And you can see I got some diamond dots. So I thought this would be a fun way to give some diamond dots. Or you could put some beads or like little tiny flowers would be cute in this as well. But I thought these were perfect for the diamond dots because the lid opens like so. And it's really cute. And then all I did was I cut a piece of design paper. It's 1 inch in height and 4 inches wide. And then I just wrapped it around this container. And then I finished it off with a cute little chipboard piece. Or you can use those little puffy stickers, is perfect. I had shared these before on my Instagram, and they're just the cutest containers and perfect for the diamond dots. So that is one gift that you can add to this cute little candy box. The other 3, I didn't add a window. I just left it without a window, which I just ended up putting in a non-dimensional embellishment on top. And then again, the closure is Velcro. And then inside I have just a fun little keychain charm that I made. So you can fill these in with lots of cute embellishments. Here's another one. And then inside this one, I have a fun little tag that I made. You can do that. And then I just wrapped it with a clear adhesive bag. And then the last one, I have some of my 1 inch flares. Another fun way to gift these flares. So I added 6 of my favorite flowers from different collections that I made. And then I just go in there. And so you can give a fun assortment of boxes of candy using this die. So let me show you how quick it is just to make this box right here. Okay, so you're gonna need, let's see here, I'm gonna get my trimmer, and then we will cut. I'm just gonna use some plain white cardstock for this video. You're going to cut the paper at 10.5 inches wide. So 10.5 inches. And then 8 inches in height. So 8 inches. Okay, and then you're going to need 2 of those. So we're going to die cut 2 of those out. So 10.5 wide. By 8 inches. 8. All right. And then we're going to need our scoreboard, because we're now going to score at 2 1/4 on all 4 sides. So easy dimensions here. So we'll score at 2 1/4. 2 1/4. So do that to all 4 sides, to both pieces. Let's do that to both. And this is really pretty with double-sided design paper. And that's what I did with this box. I used the 12 by 12 design paper from the collection. Okay, so that's all you need to do there. And then we're going to fold the score lines. My bone folder. And just fold all those 4 on both sides. Okay, do that to both. And I'll put my discount code for Lisa's shop as well. Okay, so let's get our scissors. So this is going to be the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the slits on the 10.5 inch side. So just cut your slits. I always like to cut at an angle. It just closes the box nicer. A little slit there. Do that on the opposite side. Okay, so now I'm going to take some adhesives, fold in those side flaps there, and I'm going to use some of this art glitter glue. Love this glue. Okay, so we're just going to do it like that and line it. Give it a good press. I'm going to do that to all 4 sides. So make sure it's nice and lined. To the other side. Good press. And then last one. Give it a good press. Okay, so this is the bottom box. And then for the top, it's going to be a little bit different. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the 2 bottom squares out. So cut those out. So you're going to remove both of these. Just cut that. And then you're going to cut a slit on this right here. Cut it at an angle, just like you did with the bottom box. Okay. All right, so you got that. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your box. You're going to take the inside and you're going to adhere it to the back of this box. So just add your glue. And then I just do it like that. Make sure it's all nice and lined up. And then I just turn it over and I just press it down. Okay, and then next, you're going to fold over the lid, and then you're going to put these flaps in, just like that. Kind of push this back a little bit. Just do that. Then you're going to add your glue. Do it to both. And then you're going to push these down and then close it. Make sure it's all nice and tucked in. Okay, and then I open that. So then it opens up like that. And then I just press these down. Make sure it's nice and adhered. And then I use this We Are Memory Keepers little notch punch. I use this a lot. Or you could use a circle punch. And I just basically find the center. And then I just punch. That way it's easier to open the box. Okay, and there you go. Got yourself a nice cute box. And again, it fits these cute little small folding boxes from my little Crafty shop. And there you go. So I hope you give this a try, and thanks for watching. Bye.